Basically flooding in LA. Look at the roads. Full of water. Absolutely pouring rain. Just dumping buckets. Fucking look at the window. Buckets. Look at these cars trying to pull out here with this water. Look at the river that these cars are in. Unbelievable. Just fucking dumping absolute buckets of water. There's a whole river in LA right now. I can't even pull into this parking lot to get something to eat because there's so much fucking water everywhere. It's redunkles. Redunkel-Liz. Look at the middle of the road. That's the fucking middle of the intersection. Watch this car drive by. Buckets.